to kick a soccer ball. Good. So first, if you want to pass, you're going to use this part. See? Pass is very good. Now, if you want to like shoot in the goal or curve it, I'm going to show you today. So, first, if you want to curve it that way, like that. And if you want to curve it that way, like that. Now, I'm going to show you the other parts to kick it in the goal. You can use this part or this part, like this. See? You saw how I used this part of my foot. Now I'm going to show you this part. It's kind of going to hit it hard and like far and not in the goal. But it's kind of, you sometimes are going to hit a goal. But if you want to hit a goal like this, do it high like that. Like that. You have to do it like this part and kick it like that and put your foot under the ball to kick it up. And then you gotta be like this, like kick it hard, one foot. If you're gonna use this foot, you gotta put this foot over here. Now if you're using this foot, you gotta put this foot on front first. So I use this foot, so you're supposed to be like that, and then like put your foot right there and then kick it hard, like that. So bye guys, see you later.